Hello everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to the Backyard Art School Art Box Workshops. Just to show you that we have just finished an incredible term 4 of classes. We had portraiture as our focus this term, so each student went through the process of creating an artwork, of total artwork using charcoal. We also had a oil pastel artwork that was created, and then to finish off, each student created a beautiful acrylic painting of their self-portrait, or some people did do their pet animals. So I'd like to showcase the works that were created. I hope you enjoy this, and I really do hope that everyone has a wonderful Christmas and a lovely holiday, and I look forward to seeing you all next year.